Welcome to my HTML programming course. In this video, we will see about comments and line breaks. Let's get started. Let's see what is called comment. Comment is a piece of code which is being ignored by all the web browsers. It is a good practice to add comment in HTML code. These comments will help us to understand the code easily and it also increases code readability. Let's see the syntax of comment. To add comment, first we have to type left operator and then the exclamatory mark followed by two hyphens. Then we had to add our comment text and close the comment with two hyphens followed by right operator. Let's see this in action. In the Visual Studio Code, I have opened the folder which is having the HTML file with starting code. In this HTML file, I have defined the title and a paragraph element. I am launching this HTML file using live server. Now we could see the title and the paragraph element in the web browser. Now I am creating a paragraph element with the content. This is the HTML course from Spider Tech Hub. Let's save the file and see how it displays in the browser. Now I am going to add comment here. To add comment, first I am typing left operator, exclamatory mark and then two hyphens. I am typing comment as free HTML course. See, while I am typing this is turning green. Let's save the file and see the comment is ignored by the browser and it is not displayed in the web browser. Now I am adding one more paragraph element with the content, please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Now we will see how to add line breaks in between two paragraph elements. Now in Visual Studio Code, I have added some vertical spaces and I couldn't see that in web browser because this is called white space collapsing and HTML will ignore white spaces. To know more about this, please watch my previous video, white space collapsing. To add line breaks, I am adding the break element with BR tag, which is the line break element. Now save the file and the spaces are getting displayed in the web browser. Now I am adding one more comment above the break element. And this is also not displayed in the web browser. This is how we have to use comments and line breaks in HTML. That's all about HTML comments and line breaks. In the next video, we will see about HTML links. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment this video. If you want to stay up to date with our latest content, please subscribe to my channel, Spider Tech Hub. Thank you.